Hello everyone, this is Bill Luse from the Law Office of William Luse, my courtroom. I want to talk to you today about timeshares, or should I say timeshare scams, and some of the major things you're often told when you purchase a timeshare and you find out later may not be true. So the first common misstatement that I hear from clients is that their maintenance fees or other fees will never go up. I can tell you I've never seen a timeshare where the maintenance fees didn't go up. It's happened every time. If you have one where the fees went down or stayed the same, please let me know and I'll post it online. Number two common mistake when people purchase is that they won't be locked out of the resort or any resort that they want. And even though you own a timeshare, you're subject to the same lockouts as anybody else that might try to schedule a hotel or a timeshare. Third common misconception is that if you don't use your timeshare that you can rent it. Most people come in, they tell me that their salesman told them that, and I found out that's not the case. Fourth common misconception is that you can always sell your unit back for a profit or for the same price you bought it for. And I again found that to not be true. So most people come in again and tell me that they were told they could always sell their timeshare unit back no matter what. Fifth common misconception is that their points that you buy will always buy the same amount of time. So example, if you bought 1,000 points and that's worth a week, I can almost guarantee you when you go back and use that the next year that a week's going to be more points, like 1,250 points. I've never seen where points buy more time. So that's the fifth common misconception. So how do you get out of timeshare? There's several ways to do that, and one, of course, you can sue for breach of contract. There's a contract when you sign if they don't meet the terms and obligations or anything that they promised you or any oral assurance, then you can sue for breach of contract. They also have a fiduciary duty, so if they breach some fiduciary duty to you, you can also sue for that. A third common way to get out of a timeshare, of course, is for fraud. If they misrepresented something, misspoke, promised you something that they didn't follow through on, that would be fraud. And a couple key provisions you can sue for under the timeshare or to get out of timeshare, is a violation of the Consumer Protection Act. And also, you can sue under the Unfair and Deceptive Trade Practices Act. And what that means to you is it gives you additional rights to go after a timeshare company, to try to get out of a timeshare or sue for damages, and it also gives you increased damages. So some of those provisions you can get triple damages and attorney's fees and costs. So in short, that's the way to get out of a timeshare. There's also other ways to do it. If you do need to get out of a timeshare, please give us a call. You can call us at our toll-free number, 1-855-438-5873, or of course you can look us up on our website, www.getloosenow.com, which is GETLUSENOW.com. Thanks.